Hey guys, so this is going to be episode 1 of my quarantine and clean with me videos. Since I'm off work for a little while, I'm going to be using this time to get my house back in order. Today I'm going to be working on my kitchen and living room. As you can see, they both look like a bomb went off and it's stressing me out. If there's anything that you've been needing to do, I really hope these videos will give you some inspiration and motivation to get it done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It would seriously mean so much. Alright, let's get started. So one of the things that's really been bugging me is my junk drawer. I'm sure most of you guys have a junk drawer somewhere in your home as well. Mine, I couldn't even open it. I was struggling to even get it open at this point, so it was definitely time for a little organization. So right here, I'm cleaning all the grout on my kitchen countertops. I realized a little bit too late that I probably should have taken everything off the counter before I started. Anyways, so this literally took me so long. It takes so much work. I didn't realize my hands and my arms were hurting so bad, but it was definitely worth it. I had like juice and food stains all over the place. It was a hot mess. It was definitely time. Is it just me, or do you guys fluff your couch cushions too when you clean? It's a little bit of a workout, but I feel like it's so worth it and it makes the living room look so much better. after I was done cleaning, I went ahead and made some from scratch cosmic brownies. Girl, if you thought we did all that hard work for nothing, no way. So go ahead and treat yourself to something really yummy when you're done after all this. The video for my brownie recipe will be up soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and check out that brownie recipe for sure. Like I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to myself and my family. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one.